station, FM radio.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin until 11:45 a.m. At 11 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winslow, or 9 miles west of Monroe, moving east at
That's
45
the same
miles
thing
per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Broadhead, Wheeler, South Wayne, Browntown, Gratiot, and Judah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
My first. Really again? This is Quad Cities relay. This is Quad Cities. Get ready when we get to the home because I want to go.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Davis County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 11:45 a.m. At 11:03 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nora, or 15 miles northwest of Frankfort, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
Okay.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
How are we getting all these relays?
Source, radar indicated.
This is funny.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
It's their index
Expect
going
wind
off.
damage to roofs, siding, and
Their
trees.
index.
Locations
Their
impacted
index is
include
adjusting like
Freeport,
crazy.
Lena, Stockton, Warren, Pearl City,
I'm
Cedarville,
so happy.
Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Winslow, Rock City, Rydolph, Nora, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Oneco, Orangeville, Kent, Leroy, and Damascus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
I don't miss us.